Hey all, Bill Young from ShopBot's Tools here again. This Rubberband racer. It's a cool little half-inch ply, cut it out of scrap. There's some hardware store dowel, half-inch dowel, quarter-inch dowel, a couple rubber bands. They can be, it's got some pockets. It's a little bit interested in cutting. You can cut one of them out of a piece of ply about a foot by 18 inches or so, or you can cut as many as you want. Just scale it up, fill it up on a sheet. And they're a lot of fun to do. The kids can put them together, they can sand them, they can paint them up like NASCAR cars, or they can just put them together the way they are and crash them into each other. So the files have been available for a long time. We'll put a link at the end to the information about the project. And hopefully y'all will make some. I've made hundreds of them over the years for different classes and different groups and just for kids. And I know there's lots of other people that have made them as well. So make some, find some kids near you, for your kids, some of your neighbor kids. And if you've got other projects you think work well with kids that are, maybe it's a little bit educational, maybe it's just fun. Send me a link. Send me some information, Bill Young at ShopBotTools.com. We'll see what we can do to get files shared around. And I'll post a couple others sometime soon. So take care, be safe, bye.